Hi, I'm Gillian Salmon. I'm a registered dietitian with Horizon Health. And I'm here today to walk you through making a fruit salad. It's really important to stay hydrated in the summer, and eating fresh fruits and veggies as part of your day is a great way to do that. So what we can do here, you can start with pre-cut fruits to cut down on any prep time, or you can cut them up in advance like this. You can really use any kind of fruit that you want. We've got some pear here. We've got oranges cut up. We've got some apples. And then melon. Melon is a really great hydrating fruit to have in the summer. And again, any fruit that you have really goes well together, except maybe tomatoes. Maybe leave those out of a fruit salad. Then we just add a little bit of lime juice, toss it together, and pop it in the fridge. And then it's ready to eat. So you can put it in a little dish, you can add some yogurt, you can take it with you to go to the beach, and got a nice healthy fruit salad.